Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BenNye, also known as SoulStyleBeauty, and I know it's been a minute that I've created like an everyday type makeup routine, and this is what I do minus like the lashes, minus the nose contour. I don't do that daily, but like if I'm going out, you know, on a date or with my friends or whatever on a weekend or whatever, this is typically what I do. Sometimes lashes, sometimes not. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
I'm going to use this Innis Free Intensive Hydrating Serum. It's bomb. I'm just getting into K-Beauty, but this serum is everything. Next, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 185W. It has such a beautiful finish. Like, I put a haul on my on my other foundation because I was like, oh, this is bomb. And it was only $10, so I did a review on my blog. If you did not check it out, definitely check out SoulStyleBeauty.com. Shameless plug. And yes, I'm going in with the blending, especially when you have a frontal. Yo, you need like a small blending brush just to get around, you know, those faux baby hairs. Like, I'm telling you, you need to take time to blend.
There's no place I'd rather be. There's no place I'd rather be. Here 1,000 miles from
Then I'm going to go in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, which is also bomb. Like, these products shocked the mess out of me. The foundation and the concealer was like $16 combined. So get your hands on it. I'm telling you, it's bomb.com and it's affordable. Because honestly, I can deal with my LA girl, but then I was like, oh, this has the same consistency. It's $6 and it just has a beautiful finish. So I'm a fan.
But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather.
Next, I'm going in with my banana powder, and wasn't that powder effect so cool? I was just like, I really like that. I decided to use my other camera today, so just like it's closer, it looks better for like makeup videos. I've actually decided that, but yeah. Up next, I'm going to use my new favorite blush from Nars called Exhibit A. I'm in love with it. Then I'm going to go in with my Holy Grail all over face powder. Like, you guys, it's the best. Like, I would never stop using this powder. Next, it's time to set everything with a setting spray. This one is just okay. It's not even worth mentioning, honestly. It's just alright. But then, of course, I'm going in with my Jackie Aina La Peach highlighter, which is one of my favorite highlighters to use. So I apply my lashes off camera. These are the Pure Pro eyelashes in the style Flirt. Then after that, I just followed up with one of my favorite companies, lipstick. This is Mented Cosmetics. I have a link down below if you want to shop them. But I'm wearing lipstick in the shade Dope Taupe.